That stupid studies and wanna play Roblox. But here's come a problem. School Chromebook has some freaking blockers which you can't allow you to play Roblox and any other. But now your Owsrrd video will tell you how to defeat all those blockers. First, we are gonna. I have found some. I have watched many tutorials and videos, and some methods are corrupted. Some methods are not working. Some methods are fake, and some methods are. It's likely about you can get hacked. So I have found the best methods with most safer options. So let's get started. First one is you have to go to neutral education, bluesky.com. Okay, it's loading. Bible. There you go. There you have it. You're on Roblox. It will have couple of ads. Sometimes might be annoying, but it is good for time. Yeah, there you go. Just it is not currently available in my region, but it will be available in US and any other area than Asia. So yeah, you can play Roblox here, no problem, and no worries. Now our second option is in the second option I will explain you some bit. First, you go to developer mode. You can find any tutorial on the internet how to go to developer mode on school Chrome. Then go for search Roblox download. Not from the Play Store. It might act up a little bit, or but it's better to download IPK on Chrome. Roblox download. Yeah. Mm. There you go. From now you can download it from there, Google Play, and any other third party also. There are many available. Yes, you can also download from the official site. There are many available. You can now download, install, and then play worry less freely. And that's it. That's for today's video. I've teaching you two methods. First one is easy, and second one is a bit of hard, but it might be useful.